Today's going to be a Poundland DIY. I picked up these pillar candle holders and I am going to be doing DIYing them. So I'm going to spray paint them and then I'm going to put one in my living room and the other one is going to go on my dressing table. And again, with my spray paint, good old Poundland car spray paint. So let me head into the garden. You guys might remember this rose like flower beauty. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. My one doesn't light up anymore and I wish I'd bought another one when it was Valentine's Day. Maybe I'll catch it next year. Hopefully I can catch it next year. Finally found a place for it and it's with these candlesticks and like literally just looks perfect. Originally I was gonna put this on my dressing table, but it's not working. Even when I switch it to the other grey one, because my dressing table is grey, it's still not working. But like I put it on the dining table and it looks so perfect. So the flowers I've got on the dining table in the living room, obviously the dining table is in the living room or in the dining room. I don't know why she's saying that. But yeah, the flowers have the flower and the vase that I just recently moved down to the living room. I've moved to the kitchen and this is going to be a lovely centerpiece. Especially it's going to be look even more nice when we get really nice chairs for the dining table, because we just have like these IKEA chairs. When we get some really nice dining chairs, this is going to look even more perfect and just put together. I actually wish on the grey one as well, I should have probably just used the smaller little gems, because I feel like this one just looks really nice. It looks expensive as well. It looks really nice. Doesn't look like something that would be from Poundland. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Subscribe for plenty more DIYs and home decorating videos, and check up here for more decorating inspiration and DIY videos. Also, you guys, turn on the bell notification button, because I've noticed that YouTube are having this really weird thing going on right now where not a lot of people's videos are being recommended to them. So like you're subscribed to a channel, but it's like their videos are not even being recommended. It's like everyone's having that type of issue, all the way up to big YouTubers. So turn on the bell notification button, because yeah, I think it just resets everything so that you can be notified when I upload my video. I'll see you guys next time. Give the video a thumbs up. Bye guys.